The first week of pregnancy. It's a time of quiet beginnings, a symphony playing softly within, often unnoticed by the world outside. Much like a seed planted in fertile ground, a new life may be taking root, though its presence remains a delicate secret. This week is a testament to the remarkable power of the human body, a time when microscopic events pave the way for the incredible journey of pregnancy. Understanding this early stage can be both empowering and awe-inspiring, offering a glimpse into the intricate dance of life unfolding within. This week is not just about the potential for conception, but also about preparing the body for the possibility. It's a time when women are encouraged to embrace healthy habits, nourish their bodies with essential nutrients, and create a nurturing environment for a potential pregnancy to thrive. The first week may be shrouded in the unknown, but it's also a period of immense hope and anticipation. The journey of pregnancy is often described as a marathon, not a sprint. And like any significant journey, it begins with a single step. In the case of pregnancy, that first step is a week of intricate biological processes, often unfolding without any outward signs or fanfare. It's a time when women might be going about their daily lives, completely unaware that a profound transformation may have already begun within. Ovulation marks the beginning of this intricate dance. An ovary releases a mature egg, embarking on its journey through the fallopian tube, a delicate pathway leading to the uterus. This is the time when conception can occur, as the egg awaits the arrival of sperm. If a sperm successfully fertilizes the egg, a union of genetic material takes place, creating a zygote, the very first cell of a new life. This newly formed zygote doesn't waste any time. It begins dividing rapidly, embarking on a journey down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. This journey can take several days, a time of remarkable transformation, as the single cell multiplies into a cluster of cells known as a blastocyst. Meanwhile, the uterus is preparing for a potential arrival, its lining thickening with a rich supply of blood and nutrients, ready to provide nourishment. Implantation, a crucial milestone in early pregnancy, occurs when the blastocyst burrows into the uterine lining. This process, which typically begins around 6 days after fertilization and can last several days, involves the blastocyst attaching itself to the uterine wall and embedding itself within the nourishing lining. It's a remarkable feat of biological engineering, marking the beginning of a profound connection between mother and the developing embryo. However, it's important to remember that not every egg released during ovulation will be fertilized, and not every fertilized egg will successfully implant. The journey from ovulation to implantation is a delicate and complex process, with many factors influencing the outcome. This is why many women may not even realize they're pregnant during this first week, as the early signs can be subtle and easily mistaken for premenstrual symptoms. While some women experience noticeable changes during the first week of pregnancy, others might not feel any different at all. The hormonal fluctuations happening within can trigger a cascade of physical and emotional changes, but these often mimic the symptoms many women experience in the days leading up to their period. This overlap in symptoms is why the first week of pregnancy often passes by unnoticed. Tender breasts, a common early pregnancy symptom, can be attributed to the surge in hormones, particularly estrogen and progesterone. These hormones play a vital role in preparing the body for pregnancy, causing breast tissue to swell and become more sensitive. Fatigue is another common experience during this early stage as the body diverts energy towards supporting the developing embryo. Spotting or light bleeding, known as implantation bleeding, can occur as the blastocyst implants itself into the uterine lining. This typically happens around the time a woman expects her period, making it easy to mistake for a regular menstrual cycle. The amount of bleeding is usually much lighter than a period and often appears as a pink or brownish discharge. However, it's crucial to remember that not every woman experiences these early signs, and their presence or absence doesn't necessarily confirm or rule out pregnancy. Every woman's body is different, and the way it responds to pregnancy can vary greatly. For women who are actively trying to conceive, the first week of pregnancy, even before it's confirmed, is an opportunity to embrace healthy habits that can support a potential pregnancy. This includes adopting a balanced and nutritious diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, providing essential nutrients for both mother and the developing embryo. Starting prenatal vitamins, even before conception, is highly recommended. Folic acid, a crucial B vitamin, plays a vital role in preventing neural tube defects, serious birth defects affecting the brain and spinal cord. Prenatal vitamins also contain other essential nutrients, such as iron and calcium, supporting the mother's health and the baby's development. Limiting alcohol and caffeine intake is crucial during this time, as these substances can negatively impact fertility and the developing embryo. Managing stress is also essential, as high stress levels can interfere with ovulation and potentially hinder implantation. Engaging in stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature can create a more relaxed and receptive environment for conception. The first week of pregnancy, a time of hidden wonders and silent transformations, is a testament to the remarkable capabilities of the human body. It's a time for women to embrace healthy habits, nurture their bodies and minds, and approach this new chapter with a sense of wonder and anticipation. Remember, every pregnancy is unique, and consulting with a healthcare professional is essential for personalized advice and guidance throughout this incredible journey.